In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ring app on Android. If you're setting up a Ring doorbell, camera, or alarm, the very first thing you'll need is the Ring app, and the safest, easiest way to get it is directly from the Google Play Store. Before we begin, make sure your Android device is running Android 9 or higher. That's the minimum requirement for the app to work properly and receive updates. Let's walk through the download process step by step. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and using it helps you avoid fake or unsafe downloads. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type the word Ring. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the app named Ring, Always Home. That's the official Ring app you want. When you find it, tap the app to open its page. On the app page, tap Install. Your device will begin downloading the app, and you'll see a progress indicator while it installs. The download time can vary depending on your internet speed, so give it a moment. Using a reliable connection helps the process go smoothly. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the app for the first time. Once the Ring app is open, you're ready to start using it with your Ring devices. The app is designed to bring all your Ring products together in one place. It connects to Ring doorbells, cameras, and alarms, so you can manage them from your phone. You'll receive instant alerts when motion is detected or when someone presses your doorbell, helping you stay aware of what's happening at your home. The app also lets you see and talk to visitors in real time with live video and two-way audio, so you can respond whether you're at home or on the go. A quick reminder on safety and reliability. Always use the official Play Store version of the Ring app. Downloading from third-party websites or unofficial stores can expose you to outdated or unsafe apps, and you might miss important security updates. Sticking to the Play Store ensures you get the latest features and protections as soon as they're available. And that's it. You've learned how to download the Ring app on Android using the recommended method through the Google Play Store, along with what the app can do and the basic requirement your device needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with having your Ring devices connected.